This is section 6.2, example 2, and here we're going to use the keyword some number or fewer. So or fewer is the keyword here. If it says or less, that's the same thing. So here the situation is, according to a recent report, 66% of internet searches in a particular month use the Google search engine. Assume that a sample of 24 searches is studied, and in the first part of this, you would refer to example 1. This is if there's exactly 21 of them. We're going to move down to part 2. What is the probability that 16 or fewer used Google? If you have the keyword or fewer, then that is the one situation that the calculator can directly calculate. And so I'll show you what I mean by that. 16 or fewer means all the numbers that I've highlighted here in red. Because we are now looking for a range of numbers and not just one of these numbers, like in the first example, then we go to second vars, and one past binomial PDF is binomial CDF. Binomial CDF for the trials, it's just like you did in PDF. It's the number that's up in the top section, the number of whatever it is, in this case, Google searches. The P, again, is going to be the number that's usually given as a percentage, but it needs to be entered as a decimal. So you have to divide by 100 or move the decimal place over by 2. The X value, again, is based on the information that's given to you in the problem part. In this case, with fewer than, it's exactly that number, 16, but that is the part of this that's going to change depending on what your keyword is. So if your keyword is or fewer or less, then you just enter the number that they give you, paste, and calculate, and we get 0.6032. So the next section I'm going to go on to if the keyword, instead of being or 16 or fewer, it is fewer than some number, such as this one here. Would it be unusual if fewer than 14? And then I'll go over the other keywords in later videos.